Oh, I don't feel well. Shoot! Thank you, good girlie. Just what I needed. Say grace. For what we are about to receive, may the Lord make us truly thankful. Amen.
Oh, Chris, that's funny.
Go open the cupboard. Go open.
President Obama headed to Minneapolis to talk about gun safety measures on Monday. Right. First Walton from the White House. We'll come back to you a little bit later. That's right. Now to the latest developments on the
Leave the Tupperware.
police say they are in constant communication with men.
Thank you, good girl. We're close. Good girlie. Thank you. Can you help me put it away? Go open again. Good girlie, over here. Yes, good girl. Away. Good. Close, please. Thank you, good girl. Go time out. Yay! Good for you! Good girlie! Ready? Go! Toy! Yes! Box! Good girlie! Toy! Yes, toy! Go! Box! Good girl! Toy! Yes! Box! Good girl! Yay! Good girlie! Toy! Yes! Box! Good girlie! Over here! Toy! Yes! Box! Yay for you! Good girlie! Toy! Box! Yes! Over here! One more! Toy!